Welcome to our guide on how to access and view the operator's operating statement in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. From the top navigation menu, select Business Reports from the drop-down menu. In the subsequent menu, choose Management Reports. On the Management Reports page, locate and click on the operator's operating statement option to access the report. You can choose the specific period to analyze to tailor the statement to your needs. Generate the operator's operating statement and thoroughly examine the comprehensive results to gain valuable insights into your business's performance. To export your report to Excel or PDF format, go to the top right corner of the report page and find the three dots menu icon. Click on the three dots to reveal the menu options, and from there, select Export as Excel or Export as PDF. A notification will appear, indicating that the report can be downloaded from the Data Export section of Docyt. To download the report, navigate to the Data Export section by clicking the Data Export link in the notification. Click the ellipsis menu on the Data Export page and select the Download option. And there you have it. You have now learned how to view the operator's operating statement in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.